Hi, I'm Ann Hen of Hello Gorgeous, but I'm also a G4 by Golpa patient. Why should you choose G4? It's simple. They have the most experience, cutting-edge technology, the best patient care, the shortest turnaround versus even the biggest corporate dental centers, and a better price than much less experienced providers. Efficiency means savings. But it's not just about the process. The benefits post-procedure are truly life-changing. Get your self-esteem back and enjoy the food you love. Dr. Golpa has been doing the G4 procedure for over 15 years and has over 30,000 satisfied patients. They've manufactured over 20,000 bridges and have handled many complex variations of the surgery. This is all they do. G4 is a pioneer in dental technology. Every step is cutting edge, from the facial scans to the final fitting. The entire process is digital, and every office is also a full manufacturing center. That last part is key. At G4, they have the whole process in-house. They get you your permanent teeth, that's right, I said your permanent teeth, in just 24 hours. Not 6 months to a year like the other guys. 24 hours. That means you only need to be in town for 2 to 3 days. This isn't just about your self-esteem and getting to eat corn on the cob again. Many patients have had cardiac plaque and diabetic problems lessen or completely disappear. What impressed me the most was the care and compassion that the staff showed me. Not only were those highly trained heroes nice, they really made me feel like I wasn't just a number. And you can talk with actual patients that have gone through the procedure too, just like me. And that's why you should choose G4 by Golpa.